All right, we're gonna go ahead and route our duct hoses. Our 2 inch is gonna go from our front plenum to the defrost ducts. From there, we're gonna do 2.5 from the plenum to the driver's side. All right, guys, we have a driver's side louver housing and a backup bracket. So what you're gonna do is install your bracket to your housing like so. Mark the hole. Then using a 7/32 drill bit, go ahead and punch out this hole. And we're ready to install inside the vehicle. Time to install our drain hose. So go ahead at the bottom of the unit and through your grommet. All right. Now it's time to run your violet wire to a 12-volt key-on power source. All right, now that we've ran our violet wire, we're gonna go ahead and plug in the main harness to the ECU. And then we're gonna install it behind the dash. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our instrument cluster and move on to installing the glove box. Heater control valve time. we're gonna have to get yourself some 5/8 heater hose from your local parts house, or if you need it and can wait a little bit, you can order from us. Go ahead and install 5 inches onto your heat control valve. Note the direction. This has to flow into your evaporator. Go ahead and put your hose clamp on, get her tightened up, then we'll move to the truck and install. Once you got your hoses on, go ahead and tighten your clamps. Okay, from our heater control valve, we're gonna go ahead and connect that line to the intake. Go ahead and attach your clamp, tighten it up. And your other heater line, go ahead and connect it to your water pump. Alright, next step, we're going to go ahead and connect our heater control valve to the main wiring harness. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and connect our 90-degree service port fitting to the discharge port on our compressor. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and connect our 45-degree fitting to our condenser hardline. Go ahead and remove the cap. Lubricate your O-ring. Go ahead and remove the cap from your hardline. Alright guys, while tightening these things up, make sure you use 2 wrenches on everything. Now we're going to go ahead and install our 135-degree fitting with the service port onto the suction side of our compressor. Go ahead and move over to our bulkhead fitting. Go ahead and remove the cap from our 10 line. Lubricate the O-ring. Move your cap from the bulkhead fitting. Go ahead and connect it up. Okay, our lines are connected. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install our quarter-inch grommet into the indented part on the inner fender here so we can run our compressor lead. So guys, we're going to go ahead and install our compressor lead. The first thing you want to do is we're going to cut off this end, the one that goes to the binary switch. Make sure you don't cut this end, the one that goes to the compressor. Go ahead and connect your bullet connection to the wiring on your compressor. Run your compressor lead down the number 10 AC hose. Secure it to the AC hose with tie wraps. Alright, we're going to go ahead and connect our safety switch connector. Go ahead and crimp that on the wire that we stripped earlier. Okay, and connect it to our safety switch. And if you want to run another tie wrap right here, you can do that too. Alright guys, we finished our AC installation. We went ahead and put back everything that we previously removed. We went ahead and tie wrapped all our AC lines and hoses and made sure they're out of the way of moving parts. Your next step is going to see a certified AC technician for him to check for leaks and charge up your system. If you have any problem with any kind of parts or anything from your system, go ahead and call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable, can help you out with anything you need. If you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team. From Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Keep it cool.